And welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today we are going to talk about 3 amazing vitamins that can help get rid of acne. These are vitamins that you can find in your everyday food. They help repair the skin and they can help prevent acne from developing. These 3 vitamins include vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. First of all, let's talk about vitamin A and how it helps get rid of acne. According to some studies, you might have low levels of vitamin A if you develop severe acne. Vitamin A has got anti-inflammatory properties and help balance your hormones. It also might help reduce oil production. You can increase your vitamin A intake by consuming a balanced diet. Examples of foods that you need to consume in order to improve or boost your vitamin A levels if you suffer from severe acne include carrots, green leafy vegetables, yellow or orange fruits. Or you can take vitamin A supplements, but before you take any vitamin A supplements, make sure you speak to your healthcare provider. You can speak to your pharmacist or you can speak to your doctor to make sure that if you're on any medication, there is no interaction between the vitamin A and your medications. Now, the second essential vitamin that can help get rid of acne is vitamin C. Vitamin C can help improve the rate of healing, and it does this by producing collagen, which is an important protein that is used in repairing the skin. Vitamin C is also an immune booster and helps stabilizes your immune system, hence preventing you from developing skin infections such as acne. You can boost your vitamin C levels by consuming a wide variety of foods, including green and red peppers, green vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Other foods that contain a lot of vitamin C include citrus fruits such as oranges, lime, and grapefruit. Strawberries, raspberries, and tomatoes are also a good source of vitamin C. Apart from these foods, you can boost your vitamin C levels as well by taking vitamin C supplements, and a daily dose of 500 milligram vitamin C would help boost your levels. Now let's move on to the last essential vitamin that can help get rid of acne, and this is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It's got anti-inflammatory properties and it can help moisturize the skin. So with these properties, it means that vitamin E can help fade dark spots. It can help heal the skin as well as it can help prevent dry skin, which in effect can help prevent the development of skin conditions such as acne. Low levels of vitamin E has been associated with severe acne. Some examples of vitamin E containing foods that you can consume include Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, almonds, kiwis, sweet red peppers, avocados, spinach, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. These foods are readily available for you to purchase from your grocery store. So if you suffer from moderate to severe acne, next time you're going shopping, make sure you add some of these foods to your grocery list. I hope this short video is beneficial. Please don't go away without giving it a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative content. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.